Okay guys, so this is Serif WebPlus X8. This is what you're going to use to make your website for your coursework. Your website for your coursework needs to be 3 pages and it has to contain your animation and links to your documents and work. So as you can see, this is the main window here. This white square represents your web page. First thing I like to do to give myself more room is to get rid of this toolbar at the bottom because we don't use it. So just a little down arrow there, or that cross, or a combination. We'll get rid of that, just to give you some more space. And I do the same on this side here, just so I'm working with as much space as possible for my web page. Okay, so the software itself is a bit old, but it does everything that we need it to do for our coursework. So like I said, this is our web page. Over here is obviously a color picker, which we're not really going to use much. Here we've got the panel, which we use quite a bit for our navigation and setting up our pages, but because our website is only 3 pages long, we're not going to spend ages in there. The left hand side has got the sort of quick access menu with things like a mouse pointer, text boxes, shapes, and artistic text, which is more like word art. And we've got the alignment frame down by here, which sometimes we might use if we want to be really precise when we're laying our web pages out. We've also got, bottom left hand corner, this little drop down list here, which has a list of our pages in our website. So that's the overview of the software. First thing I recommend you do when you're setting your website up is jump to the template page. So what the idea is, we set up a template and then every time we make a page, it comes in with our headings, with our banners, with our navigation, with our color scheme, our layout, everything already on there. So to do that, go down here where it says home or master A. Master A is what they call your template, the master page. Okay, so that's your template. You click that, it should jump to master A there. Now, the software is not brilliant. It does sometimes mess up and it will stay on home. Okay, if that happens, even when you're clicking on master A and it's not changing, the little button next to it will override it. And if you hover over the tooltip, says page/master page. So if you click that, that always takes you to the master page. Even if it doesn't say it in there and you've clicked it, you're on the master page. Another way to check is to look over here in this navigation section again. So when I'm on the home page, there'll be a little eyeball will appear there to show me that that's the page I'm looking at. I'll just change it back now to show you. So there's the eyeball. I know that whatever's here is wherever the eyeball is on here. So I click that A1 and just jump back to the master page. See, the eyeball is gone. So anything I put on here now will automatically appear on all of my web pages.